Time for Law and Disorder.
I demand a lawyer.
With attorney Jeff Kaufman on 101.1 WJRR.
We are Orlando's rock station. Jeff Kaufman, partner at Kaufman Lynd. If you or someone you know has been injured, maybe it's a slip and fall, car accident, something else, and you think you might need legal representation, you're not sure, you've got questions, good guy to call. He's going to tell you straight up.
Jeff's your man. Direct email for him is jeff@whenyouneedus.com. Again, that's jeff@whenyouneedus.com or pound 546 on your mobile device.
Yeah, good day, gentlemen. Good day.
What's up, brother?
Yeah, I do these like 15-second commercials on 101.
Yeah.
The weird ones.
Oh, yeah, like the sharks and
the monkeys and the yams and stuff like that.
Yeah, it's an interesting approach.
Yeah, I've gotten more emails over that than I have over the regular commercials that have aired for basically, 13 years.
Seriously.
Yeah, seriously.
My advice to you, make the next batch when you update them even weirder.
Oh, yeah. I did one, meditated with people and,
I remember that one,
and
yes.
people are like, it's so funny to me because I just sit there and I don't even write them. I sit in the chair and I just come up with them. Then I have to send them to the bar to okay it. And the bar's like going, these aren't commercials. I go, yeah, I know.
Hey, Jeff.
The idea behind it is that all these lawyer ads are running all over the place.
As hell.
So,
and they're no fun. And
make yours stand out.
Yeah, make it fun,
Hey, Jeff, is this a lawsuit you would take? North Carolina woman has filed a suit against the city of Charlotte after she slipped on a sandwich. The sandwich incident occurred at the Charlotte Douglas International Airport. So she took a nasty tumble after slipping on someone's discarded lunch. She claims she had to undergo painful tests, medical procedures, and extensive rehabilitation to recover from her injuries. She's suing for financial damages. Neither the airport nor city officials have comment on the lawsuit.
Well, I'm licensed in North Carolina. A lot of people know that I'm licensed in a couple different states.
Sandwich
and North
slippage.
Carolina is one of them. Now, North Carolina has an interesting rule with that. If you are more than 1% responsible for your damages, the other side doesn't have to pay. So they're going to say, come on, it was a sandwich. You should have seen it.
Oh.
So she's definitely going to be held more than 1% responsible. So she might have filed it, but the attorney, I guarantee an attorney probably didn't file that.
So even it up?
Yes, she might need some help.
No way.
Are you picking up the sandwich sister?
No.
Even if she says, well, I didn't see it because I was on my phone. Well, that's your fault then.
Mm-hmm. Yes. The state of North Carolina doesn't pay you for stuff like that.
Okay.
So the point is wasting the court's time, wasting people's efforts. I mean, the law is the law in a situation like that. Like in Florida, you have to, if you're more than 50% responsible,
then
you're screwed.
I wish they would have specified the type of sandwich. I was curious to see.
It could have been like one of those finger sandwiches.
It's in the airport. You know exactly what it is. It's one of those
$6.99 in that half plastic.
It could be Mike's. She could have had a big old Mike sub in her way.
Half plastic clamshell.
That's what I've
been there for 3 weeks.
Yeah, those are bad. The tuna. Tuna.
Oh, is that what that
ham
is?
and cheese or something. I don't trust that.
If you're getting tuna in one of those clam things, good luck.
Yeah, bathrooms are too small on the plane. I don't trust those. No, I'm not doing
Diarrhea
it.
detour.
What do you got there, Taco?
I got kicked off.
It was diarrhea detour.
I got kicked off a cruise boat permanently last year for a confrontation that got physical.
That's Hall of Fame.
She got
material.
banned.
Hall of Fame.
He got
material
banned.
there, yes.
But
banned.
I was the only one that didn't put my hands on anybody. Can I go after the cruise ship?
It's a private company. They don't have to let you on. It's like a private company. They can say, listen, we just don't want your business. This isn't a government agency. It's not a government-controlled thing. Most likely the cruise ship is actually licensed in the Bahamas or another foreign country. So they can say, yeah, we just don't want your service anymore. Now, you could write some letters and say you didn't do it. But the weird thing is this. Very rarely do they throw people off ships. It just very rarely happens.
Mm-hmm.
So,
banned for life.
And banned for life, So I'm not going to say it like Arnival. It doesn't allow you on it anymore.
Oh, take another cruise line. There's plenty of them these days.
I mean, you could send some letters, but it's a private company. They don't have to let you in. I mean, it's like a movie theater going, hey, listen, we have the right to, what's that line
Refuse
called?
Service to anyone.
Service.
For any
no
reason.
No shoes, no shirts, no punches.
Mm-hmm.
Even ones that you didn't do.
How much weight do those liability waivers hold at those indoor trampoline parks?
They're pretty good. you waive a lot of your rights when it comes to it because there's an inherent danger behind it. Now, if something's definitely screwed up and they're clearly negligent, they have a problem. I mean, if you get hurt jumping around or somebody jumps into you, I mean, that's normally, you normally waive those things. But, there's things like it's like the go-kart tracks. It's like anytime you sign that stuff over, it's serious. But let's say there's a huge pothole in the middle of it. That's still going to be on them. They still have to keep.
It's a good question, though. It's a good question.
What is this one to hear about Mickey Mouse?
That's just somebody being goofy. I was hitting.
Let's see what you did there.
Oh,
That's what their joke was.
That was my commercial. That's what they're talking about.
There you
the
go.
Mickey Mouse joke. You believe the bar okayed that? It kills me.
Here it is.
Again, push the envelope next time, Jeff.
Going
Make it even weirder.
Full bore.
Jeff, can I get the same representation as Mickey Mouse? My girlfriend is effing goofy. That's what it was, Pat.
Yeah, you can. Just not for me. I don't do divorce.
Okay.
But I know some mean people that can represent you.
Here's somebody, a personal injury. I was hit yesterday and the guy ran. I tried to follow and take a video, but couldn't get a clear image of the plate. Can I sue if the police can find him with intersection cameras?
Absolutely. And it's not about suing. It's about you contacting his insurance company and filing a claim. You only have to sue if the insurance company doesn't pony up.
If he even has insurance.
Now, dude, we've covered this. And what I'm going to say every time, uninsured motorist, you got to protect yourself in this stuff like that. Yes, if a camera picks it up, great. But there's a good chance it won't. So hopefully you have uninsured motorist and a lot of people don't know what that is. It's the same. For example, let's say you have $10,000 of insurance that the other guy can get. Well, you can get $10,000 to protect yourself if the person who hits you doesn't have enough insurance or doesn't have insurance at all. So that's what you need to do. I mean, I have the same amount. I don't screw around with it. In Florida, people are terrible. They drive away. They don't have insurance at all. Uninsured motorists, people, pay for it. It's worth it.
Contact your insurance company and check on your policy. Have them check on your policy if you have it. If you don't, add it. For Kaufman, my workplace did not provide glasses for the eclipse. What if I got eye damage? My options. Sorry.
They're going to say, dude, stop staring into the sun.
Uh-huh.
Believe it or not, my office did a thing. They bought glasses and they went down there. But I mean, if your boss has said, hey, yeah, go out and take a look at the eclipse, that's a whole nother thing. But if you work outside, I mean, I don't know. I don't think a business is responsible for that since everyone was told not to look into the sun.
You were told that from the youngest age growing up. It's one of the things
I didn't
you
even
just
go out. I'm going, hey, listen, I'll look at a picture. I don't need this. I got to tell you, I'm not that interested.
You could just watch it on TV. I did that after going outside. This one, basically, I'm going to summarize it. It's not super long. Don't worry. When you text these in at 22526, keep them short. I just don't want to name the companies this guy is. Wife was forced to sell her vehicle because there was a massive recall of a fire risk. Okay? Could she be compensated beyond the amount that she got when she sold the car?
I don't understand. She was forced to sell the car? Normally, a recall means they take the car back.
And you
fix it for free.
They fix it for free. You don't sell the car.
Well, they sold it, and now they're wondering if they can get more than they actually sold it for, and the answer is no, right?
I don't think that's the case. People, when this happens, like I had a car from a company that rhymes with Ord, and they had like 7 different things I had to take this car in for. It was like once a year I had to take this thing in for something that was wrong. You take the car in, that's what you do, and they fix it. But your situation, I mean, maybe they'll give you nuisance money. But, it won't be worth hiring an attorney to get nuisance money because that'll be all your money that you use.
Okay. All these ones that we did not get to, I'm going to print up, like the one where somebody's goose has been biting kids. 22526.
Cook it.
They're responsible, okay? It's real simple.
They said, Jeff, my pet goose, Joffrey, has been biting the neighborhood children.
I'm not biting that.
Hold on. The bites leave no damage. Can legal action be taken against him?
People have to have damages, whether it be mental or physical. They have to show mental or physical damages. But if your goose hurts somebody, you are responsible.
Goosebumps.
Right. But we do have our comedy show on Thursday. You can still get tickets if you want. It's free. It's down at Bonkers downtown. Go to whenyouneedus.com/events for free tickets.
All right.
All right. And if you need legal advice from Jeff directly, again, it's Jeff at whenyouneedus.com.
Kaufman and Lynd, thank you.
Appreciate
Jeff.
you guys.
All right. Back with you next Monday.
Lynch and Taco on demand. Download the iHeartRadio app.